Curly hair is trending right now. Every guy wants it because it looks attractive and stylish, but most men think only genetics can give you curls. And that's the lie. Because today in this video, I'll show you 4 real ways to go from straight hair to curly hair. Some are temporary, some are long-term, and one can change your look completely. Let's start. 1. Heat styling. Heat styling means using a curling iron or flat iron to create waves or curls. Before you do it, always apply a heat protectant. Without it, heat slowly damages your hair. With heat styling, you can choose your look. Waves or tight curls depending on your style. The result looks great, sharp, stylish, but here's the truth. It is completely temporary. The moment your hair gets wet or you wash it, your hair goes back to straight. This method usually lasts only 1 day, so heat styling is perfect for events, photos, or special occasions, but not for permanent texture. It changes the look, not the hair. Well, I don't suggest heating your hair every day. 2. Perm. A perm is a chemical treatment that changes your hair structure. It turns straight hair into wavy or curly hair. The hair that gets treated will stay curly for months. But here's something important. New hair that grows from your scalp will still be straight, because your genetics don't change. That's why a perm is called semi-permanent. Enjoy the curls until enough straight hair grows out, and then you decide whether to redo it or not. So yes, a perm is the most effective and long-lasting way to get curly hair, but it comes with responsibility. Curly hair gets frizzy very fast, so you must take care of it. You need a leave-in conditioner. This keeps your curls soft, defined, and healthy. Without care, curls look dry and messy. With care, they look stylish and premium. So remember, a perm changes your hair, but good care decides how good it looks. 3. Sea salt styling. This method is perfect if you want waves without heat or chemicals. First, wet your hair, then towel dry it until it's damp, not drip. Next, apply sea salt spray. Scrunch your hair with your hands. Let it dry naturally. After it dries, use a little texture powder or hair clay to lock the waves. The result, a natural, messy beach-style wave look. It looks great, but remember, it does not change your real hair texture. The moment you wash your hair, the waves disappear. So this style usually lasts only 1 day. That's why it's perfect for parties, outings, photos, or special days. But it's not meant for daily use. Use it when you want to look different. Not every day, because it changes the look, not the hair. 4. Rubber band curl method. But let me be honest, first, it is time-consuming and not practical for daily life. I don't really recommend it for regular styling, but I still tell you about it because it's one of the real ways to test how curls look on you before committing to a perm. Here's how it works. First, by styling, rubber bands from a salon or Amazon wash and condition your hair, then towel dry it until it's damp, not dry. Now divide your hair into small sections, twist each section tightly, wrap it into a small bun and secure it with a rubber band. This part is much easier if someone helps you sleep like this overnight. In the morning, remove the bands. Your hair will look curly, but remember, the moment you wash your hair goes back to its natural texture. So this method is also temporary. That's why this method is best only for one reason: to see if curly hair suits your face before you decide to get a perm. Not for daily styling, not for long-term use, just for testing because it changes the look, not the hair. So now you know the truth. Straight hair is not your limitation, it's just your starting point. Pick the method that fits you, test it, upgrade your look. Because small changes in appearance create big changes in confidence. And remember, the world treats you how you present yourself. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss your next upgrade.